Nissan Pathfinder. This one's an LE. Taillight replacement. I'm gonna go pop these two screws right off. In order to get this off, you pull it straight back out. It's got these little clips right there, and those will pop right out of the thing. It takes a little bit of gusto, but don't try and break anything. Just pull it straight back out. For your turn signal light, twist it, pull it out. You'll notice that this is a special kind of bulb. It's got little slots right here, which means it's spring loaded. You gotta push in and twist. But this one, you just twist it and it'll pop out. These ones are 1156. It calls for 1156 NA, but the 1156 is the exact same size as referenced here. Again, to change this out, you just push this in, and there it is. Get it back in the socket. I'm gonna line up the little tabs. I can see where the little tabs are. There's a big one, which goes on top here. Once it's in there, don't force it. Just gotta let it. And there it is, back in. That is your turn signal. In order to get it back on, just line up your holes, give it a little push. There you go, like that. Make sure it's nice and good. Bolts back on, and then tighten them down. There you go. You might have to give it a little pop to get the pop back in. Then you should feel it click in. Don't let it be loose, but don't hit it really hard or anything. Make sure you loosely hand tighten them in there before you start power drilling them. And once you hear the torque on it, nice and tight, good to go.